Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my HERMÈS handbag wish list for 2021. Now I love these types of videos and I do love a good handbag collection. At the minute my HERMÈS collection is a sum total of one bracelet which I bought last year, so I'm very new to the HERMÈS scene, but I definitely have my eyes on some dream handbags in the future. Definitely not going to be this year because I did just purchase my new white Chanel handbag. I will leave that video linked if you haven't seen the unboxing of that. I did divide this video into just 3 bags, so one Birkin, one Kelly and one Constance bag. I am a fan of the Constance, I can't speak today. I am a fan of the Constance bag as well. I do like that kind of size for an everyday bag, and I just think it's very classic HERMÈS and it's quite chic in a bag. It's just nice square look. As I mentioned, I do love a good square bag. So let's start with the Constance because I'm obviously talking about that now. So in Constance bag, now I did initially want a white colour, but as you will know, I did buy my Chanel classic flap in white, so I'm no longer interested in another white Constance bag. So now I think I would like the black Constance with the gold hardware as well. I think this is an absolute classic bag. I think it will last me for day-to-day wear just perfectly, and that's if I ever got it. Like, I don't have thousands to be spending on these bags or anything like that, so this is all just a dream basically. But anyway, I think I would like the black because it's just so day-to-day, and you'll see from my choices of Birkin and Kelly that I'm definitely not going for a classic in those 2 items. So next up is the Birkin bag. So this is been at the top of my mind a lot recently. I just keep seeing more and more Birkins on my Instagram feed, probably because I like the pictures. They keep giving me more Birkins, putting it into my head. But anyway, the orange Birkin bag, so the typical HERMÈS colour of orange, is my dream Birkin bag. I know this is a bit of an unusual choice for a Birkin. Lots of people tend to go for just the black or the nude or kind of a browny day-to-day colour, but I just love that orange colour, and I saw this orange bag on a lady called Victoria Fox who is on Instagram. I will show you a picture of the orange bag that I saw on her Instagram account, and I absolutely fell in love with it. Ever since I seen that bag, I absolutely love it, and I think the gold hardware with the orange is so gorgeous as well. I would be a big gold person on handbags. I'm not necessarily a silver person in relation to hardware, so that's just what I prefer. Obviously, whatever you think yourself for a bag, whatever you're going to get the most use out of it is what you should go for. Do let me know what your choices are in the comments as well, and what you think of my choices, because I would love to discuss. For my choice of Kelly bag, I would go for a sage green colour for a summer bag in a small version. I would like a Kelly in one of those little mini sizes. They're just so cute. I just think that would be a dream for a summer holiday, just to have a little Kelly bag. So a nice sage green colour, again with the gold hardware, and I saw this on an Instagram account as well. I can't remember exactly who it was, but I will leave the photo here so you can have a look at the green colour that I like. And I do think that I can wear the green bag as well. I think I do tend to buy a lot of green for my wardrobe, especially in autumn winter. I'm more interested in kind of dark greens and like dark reds and stuff like that, burgundy, rather than black. So I'm not a big black person. So I do think that I would get loads of wear out of a nice mini Kelly in sage green. So that would be my #1 choice for a Kelly bag. So guys, they are my top 3 choices for HERMÈS handbags. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and do give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you enjoy luxury fashion as well, do subscribe to my channel. We talk about luxury fashion every single week on this channel, so you're gonna love it here. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.